It is June 7th, 2014. Here is me trying with the pellet gun that I'm selling. The can better not fall. Put this down so I get pellet. Is this just to prove that it works? And I'll make sure to show you that this is the exact same gun in the pictures. Just gotta load it up first. It has auto safety. You may notice it has a couple white marks, but that's just from how it was housed. Right there. There's some on this end of the scope, then there's some on that, and then there's some just down here. It's just like white paint. Now, like I said, June 7th, and boom.